Hey everyone, welcome back. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for today's video because we are doing something I have been wanting to do for so long. We are building a raised garden bed from scratch and filling it with beautiful flowers. We are talking unboxing, full assembly, planting, and watering. The complete journey from an empty box to a gorgeous living garden. Let's get into it. First thing first, open the box and make sure all of your materials and parts are there. If anything is missing, email WORKPRO right away. If you have all the parts and materials ready in your box, grab your gloves. They're in the box because the metal edges are a little sharp. Set up on a flat surface with some cardboard underneath to protect the panels. One golden rule for this entire build: don't fully tighten any bolts until step 8. Okay, start by peeling the protected film off all the panels. Then attach the first long side panel to both posts. Okay, there are two types of posts: C post and D post. C post comes with two holes at the bottom and slightly different than the D one. D post doesn't have these two holes at the bottom. So I'm gonna grab one D post and one C post. Okay, D on the left and C on the right. Okay, let's put this A panel at the top of those two openings. Use those screws, just tighten those screws, not fully. Okay, now the other side. One, two, and three. Not fully tightening these three screws. Next, lay the frame on its back and attach both short side panels and the handle to the post. Now, attach the bottom panel to the short side panels with 4 bolts. I need to remove that third screw at the top so I can install that post. Now, attach the second long side panel with 10 bolts. Attach the shelf with 4 bolts. And now go back and fully tighten every single bolt on the unit. Don't rush this part. Now thread the wheel axle through the post, then assemble each wheel in this order: spacer, washer, wheel, washer again, and the nut. Okay, it is super light. It's not heavy at all. Finally, pop the protective feet on the bottom of the post and the caps on the top. And just look at that. The garden bed is fully built. Looks very beautiful. These are the holes for getting air, ventilation, and water drainage. It's very light, super light, but I believe it's super strong. Now for the part I have been dreaming about, filling this beauty up with soil and getting our plants in. I'm going with the soil mix. I got it from Lowe's yesterday, paying $2 each bag. There was a deal going on. And today we are planting these beautiful flowers from Lowe's as well. Get your flowers spaced out nicely, firm them in gently. And then the most satisfying part, a big, deep watering to help those roots settle in their brand new home. And just like that, we went from an empty box to fully assembled, planted, and watered raised garden bed. I honestly can't believe how beautiful it looks, and I can't wait to watch these flowers grow. There is something so special about building something with your own hands than filling it with life. I hope this video inspired you to start your own little garden too. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any updates as this garden grows. Also, drop your questions or your own garden pictures in the comments. Of course, if you're watching this video on Facebook or Instagram. I love seeing what you are all creating. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.